I love my white shoes. Okay? So, my accompaniment. Alright. Pete the cat. So Pete the cat was walking down the street in his brand new white shoes. Pete loved his white shoes so much, he sang this song.
Okay.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. One more. I love my white shoes. Oh no! Pete stepped in a pile of strawberries.
Woo!
What color did it turn his shoes?
Red!
Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along and singing his song. By the way, Pete's down here saying everything is cool.
Everything's cool.
All right? I love my red shoes. 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 Oh no! Pete stepped in a large pile of blueberries. What color did it turn his shoes? What do you think? Blue. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along and singing his song. By the way, he says awesome.
Oh.
I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes.
Hey guys, I got a good idea.
Hold on, we gotta finish the book.
I think I can do my guitar, and if you don't have a guitar, you can't sing without.
Oh,
Exactly.
Okay.
Totally agreed.
Uh-oh, no. Uh-oh. Pete stepped in a large pile of mud. What color did it turn his shoes?
Brown.
Did Pete cry?
Goodness, no.
He kept walking along and singing a song. He says groovy this time. Sure, I like the brown. I love my brown shoes. I like my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. One more. I love my brown shoes. Oh, no. Pete stepped in a bucket of water, and all the brown, and all the blue, and all the red were washed away.
Oh,
Now, what color were her shoes again?
White.
But now they are
Wet.
Did Pete cry?
Goodness, no.
No. He kept walking along and singing a song. He says, rock and roll. So what do we do?
I
Love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes.
The moral of Pete's story is, no matter what you step in, keep walking along and singing your song.
What's your song?
Because it's all